Welcome! We from Team Soteria have been able to test our mask 2 times at the Simulation Center of the Anesthesiology at University Medicine Göttingen.
This made it possible to test our mask under clinical conditions with the Draeger eVita V300 ventilation device.
In our first test, with our first prototype, we tested our mask using a CPAP ventilation mode with 5 millibars PEEP. As you can see, we got a leakage about 3.4 liters per minute. For our second test, a couple of weeks later, we used the BiPAP ventilation mode with a inspiratory pressure of 8 millibars and the PEEP of 1.8 millibars, as you can see at the left bottom. For our second test, we used the final prototype that was much softer compared to the other one, allowing a better fit on the face. As you can see, we got a leakage of only 1.3 liters per minute. That's amazing.